Hi, myself Sheikh Mohammed Mujahid. Today I'm explaining about Linux because my I having the project called Linux Real-Time DevOps Automation Project. If you have to first of all, what is Linux? Linux is a free open source operating system. It multiple users can log in at the same time and do the operations in that Linux. Apart from Linux, we have the tools like Ubuntu, Red Hat, Enterprise Linux, and SUSE and Debian. All these um, all these are open source. In this Linux real-time DevOps automation project, I have this project called. This project demonstrates a complete Linux server automation workflow used in real DevOps environment. It includes user management, automation, monitoring, and security hardening, LVM, and custom system services. I have three steps, three parts of these projects. In that, first I have level one basic foundation skills. The basic foundation skills are the objective of the foundation skills of basics preparing the Linux environment for application deployment. And I have executed the commands previously and pasted the evidences in this, and I'll explain them one by one. First of all, here um, our first command is sudo group add dev team. Um, if we are having a root access, we can we can remove this sudo and add a group add dev team. Here I given this command, executed this command like a group add dev team. It will add the development team called name as the development team. It can create the development team, and then we are having a sudo user add hyphen m hyphen g dev team dev user. We are adding the users in the development team. User add and hyphen m hyphen g means groups. User add hyphen m and hyphen g dev user. I'm adding dev user one in the development team, and then I'm adding another user like a sudo user add hyphen m hyphen g development user two. Yes, here I'm giving the passwords for those two users like password dev user one, and then it will ask for the new password. I will provide the password and I retype the password. It said that all authentication tokens updated successfully. Same as here I will given this password dev user two, and I provided the password and I retyped the password, and the authentication token updated successfully. While coming to permission management, I here I executed the created a directory mkdir-p opt my object. I'm directly created in one line, and without this we can manually create going to cd opt, and we will create that mkdir project means it is also in another way. Here I am created like mkdir-p opt my object. It will directly go to the opt, and then there it will create my project name, a directory called my project. I'm changing the ownership of the directory like ch1 hyphen capital or colon dev team slash opt my project. Here see we can see this. Here I have changed that ownership ch1 hyphen capital or dev team opt and my project. And then I have given the permissions, changing the mode. I changed the mode hyphen change mode hyphen capital R 775 OPT. I am given the permissions like for this my project, and first digit is for the owners, and second digit is for the groups, and third is for the others. Uh, we are having read for 4 and write for 2 and execute for 1. Read write permissions for these owners, read write execute permissions for owners, and read write execute permissions for groups. And here 5. I means we are giving only read and execute permission, not write permissions to others. We have given here and then verify permissions ls -l and opt will do these things. We can see. Welcome to package installation, and here we are having sudo apt update and sudo apt YAML. Sudo apt update is for Ubuntu operating system and Debian operating system. And here I used yum update for Linux, and brew update for Mac OS. I have used this yum update hyphen y. It will update the system with this command, and then install git sudo yum install git hyphen y. So I am installing the Git in that local machine. Only apt is used for the Ubuntu. Yum install Java 11 OpenJDK -y. It will install the Java version 11th version in our system. We can provide any versions we need, like yum install Java. Yum install Java means we have given yum install Java means it will download the latest version. And here I have given this yum install Java hyphen y. I didn't specify any version, so it will take as 25th version as default version. And coming to system information checks, we are checking system information like LSC CPU. LSC CPU is for that giving that list of the CPU usages, and free hyphen h. It is for checking the memory information, like how much free space are available in that memory. H for human readable, and df-h for disk free. It will give in human readable format how much disk space is free, how much is available, how much used, like that. And again, we are having the top command. Top command is used to uh, it it will show the CPU utilization. It will show the CPU utilization. And PS AUX is also same as this CPU utilization. And then it shows a static snapshot, like it will show only single time at that particular time. It will record that CPU utilization, then it will show. Whereas in the top command CPU, it will show the process lively every second. It will update it. While coming to level 2 intermediate daily DevOps, we are done in this. We have done this. First, we need to do edit. If we wanna edit that cron job, means cron tab hyphen e. First I didn't found that cron tab hyphen e. After that, first we need to install that cron tab by using yum install cron e hyphen y. Hyphen e y is that auto approval of y. It doesn't ask for yes or no. If you didn't give y, it will ask I want to download yes or no. If you prove that yes, then it will download. First I downloaded, and cron tab hyphen e. In that I have given 0, 1 and 3 stars. Star hyphen czdef. Czdef is for backup of that file project, and that target of my project. Here the cron job is for first one is for every minute, and second star here second one means for every hour, and next is for month, and next for first one is for minute, second one is for hours, and third one is for month, and fourth one is for first one is for minutes. Sorry. First one is for minutes, second one is for hour, third one is for days, fourth one is for months, and the fifth one is for weekday, Sunday, Monday, or like that. It will execute every 1 p.m. It will take the backup of the every 1 p.m. 1 p.m. I have given this. And coming to shell scripting. Shell scripting means it is a method like to execute the commands. It is a method to automate tasks as a collection of commands. It can be shell scripting. It can be executed in any shell. And then VI user uh, log cleanup script. In the log cleanup script, we have used VI. We have three editors like VI and Vim and Nano editors. And VI user local bin log cleanup. It will go to this user VI user local bin. In this, it will be going to the log cleanup.sh. It will fill that and find slash hyphen or log hyphen m type of hyphen m time plus 7 hyphen delete. It means what does it mean? M time means mission time and plus 7 means older files which are being present in this file. It will older than 7 days. It will delete those logs. It will delete those logs. Changing the mode permissions. Chmod plus x. It will giving all those permissions, all the read write execution permissions for this file. Service restart scripts. If we restart this, means we use the local bin restart dot service sh system restart nginx. The nginx will restart it. If you see with the public IP in those browser, it will be the nginx will be executed. Health checks. While have given same as this, we have gone to this location like we need to provide in that file like user local bin health check.sh. In this health check we have given this echo CPU top hyphen bn and grep CPUs echo memory free hyphen f, and we have given this for disk free and free memory and top and CPU echo CPU. While coming to log management, we are having the log files in that location called the cd where log. In this cd where log, we have these logs like readme, audit, cron, prod, init log, dnf log. These are all the logs. If we want to see the logs, means tail-f sys logs. Tail-f last log means it will shows the last tail means last logs will be seen. If we wanna see the up head logs means we can use that head hyphen 3 means it will display the first three. Head hyphen 3 last log means it will show the three logs only. Coming to system performance monitoring. System performing monitoring means what is happening in our system. We can check by using these commands. First of all, we are having a top command. Top command is used for the CPU utilization. Here, every second it will change. Every second it will record the CPU utilization, and we are having htop. Htop also it is similar to this top command, but it is an advanced version of top command. It will only advanced version of yes, it is only advanced version of top command. And then we are having VM status file, and it is a virtual machine statistics. It will show the overall performance like CPU usage and memory usage, swap activity. It will refresh the VM stat file means it will refresh the system statistics for every 5 seconds. VM stat file, if we give 6 means, and if we prefer any number, it will refresh the system statistics for every those seconds. Journal CTL-U nginx. It is a systemd log viewer command used to display logs, especially to that nginx, or we can give any service. It will give particular service stop on stop messages, but errors while starting nginx, or any services configuration failures, reloading logs, and running time the errors. And now we're coming to advanced level. We are having this production ready Linux admin. Here we are given custom system D service creation, and then we are having sudo nano slash etc system D system my app service. In that my app service, we have provided this script like unit description, my application service, and network, and these are one thing. And we have given systemctl daemon reload. It will reload that, and if we wanna enable that, it will our created my app service will be enable. We can check the status and SSH hardening. We can SSH hardening means we can change our port number to without causing um, without exposing to anybody. We can change our port numbers like this sudo nano etc ssh id. If we wanna do this means we need to go to this location slash etc ssh and sshhp config. In that location we need to do here I'm using va slash etc ssh id. We need to provide this permit root login and password authentication and port 222 2222. I need to go to that. I need to give that port number near authentication. I have given there those two or those three I have given there, and we need to save that file, and we need to restart SSHD systemctl by systemctl restart SSHD. We created and systemctl restart SSD, and this is I and I'm exited from that server. From again I'm logging in SSH I my key pem and exit user at the rate and -p and to 2222. I have given this port number. Then it will login successful. It will be logging by this port number 2222. I have given this. This is known as SSH hardening. Last we are having LVM setup. Here we are having yeah, some commands like uh, listing the disk like lsblk. It is lsblk means it will check the available disk connected to EC2, and we are creating physical volume like a PV create dev for develop for dev EC2. We are creating SVDF. See here PV create dev SDF. I have used SDF and command. Physical volume. Physical volume will be said successfully created, and then LV create hyphen L 100% free NF IV APVG. Physical volume. Yes, volume. I have created a group for this volume group APVG not found, and then I created PV create slash DV NV MVN physical volume create. It is used to create new disk into a physical volume. This command is used to this. And here for this, we need to attach a volume. We need to go to the EC2 and we need to create a volume and we need to attach that volume to that EC2. And then see first here it will show those no device phone. Then I will connect it that and PV create dev physical volume create dev SDF physical volume successfully created and VG create a PVG dev. VG means to create a volume group. VG means volume group. It will to create a volume group that contains multiple disks if needed. And then LV create hyphen L 100% free in V apply V APVG. It is used to create a logical volume from group. Logical volume from group. Logical volume applied created and this mkfs dot ext pvp apply. It is uh, it is used to create a file system on the logic volume, and then mkdir when it is used to create a directory in this location and mount. We are adding this volume to this location. Firewall, we are having firewall configuration. Firewall means uh, uh, it does not access the unauthorized access. If any unauthorized access coming to our server, firewall will be uh, avoided. Firewall will be it won't access into the servers. Having these commands like sudo firewall d slash cmd add service equal to http permanent sudo firewall, and we are adding this service for http proto for this port number is http port number is 80. We are giving permanent flag makes that changes that it will make the changes in http, make the permanent http port, and then firewall service HTTPS. We are giving a firewall for HTTPS for which is running on 443. And if you want to reload means sudo firewall cmd reload. But we security groups are more. It is not a firewalls are not good practice. Security groups by using security groups we can. It is a best practice for the firewalls. Then we are having using IP tables. Sudo IP tables are we're having three like sudo IP tables hyphen a input hyphen t tcp, and then it is used for the port http and 80, and we're having IP table for 443, and we can save those IP tables by using that for the service sudo service IP tables save, and we're having the last we're having this last content like log rotations. Log rotations are to free up the space or disk usage or memory usage. We are doing these log rotations by this sudo nano slash etc log rotate dot d myapp. In that myapp, we are doing log rotation by giving va etc log rotate hyphen d myapp. We are doing log rotate in this directory. I have created a file VIE for this my app file. Here again where log my app store log and daily rotate. I have given these commands to where log daily means I have given daily specify rotate daily. The logs will be rotate daily, and then rotate 10 means last 10 logs will be rotated. Missing okay means it doesn't throw the errors if the log file doesn't exist. Compressing the whole logs after rotation create, and then we have these notify empty. Notify empty is after it is a new empty log file. Notify empty if the logs are empty, it will notify for us, and we are having create 040 root. It is a new empty log file. If we are having a new empty log file with permission 0640, it is owned by root and root location. If we go to sudo log rotate hyphen d, it is a log rotate. We can see here when I am executing, I have already rotated these logs. You can see here logs does not need rotating, has been rotated. I had done this forcefully by using log rotate hyphen f etc log rotate hyphen d forcefully I have done. Yes, guys, this is my project in Linux. I have hands-on experience in Linux. Finally, the outcome of the project is this project demonstrates real-world Linux administrations. By I have done the project. I have done those tasks like system setup, automation and backups, monitoring, VM scalability, security hardening, custom services, and production ready server configuration. Thank you, guys.